up to $40,000 with a personal loan with American Express. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about American Express personal loans. They have a great offer. They have great offers with competitive rates. So you can actually get up to $40,000, a minimum of $3,500 with American Express for a personal loan. They have very competitive rates. They have a minimum of $3,500 personal loan all the way up to $40,000. Now, to get that $40,000, you used to have tier 1 credit, number one. You have to have a low DTI, number two. So it really all depends on your credit worthiness and your DTI, right? But the good thing about I love about American Express, it's a soft pull. So you'll see if you pre-qualify. So you would go to the American Express website. You have to be a member. So you could just get a card. The thing I love about American Express for credit line increases, soft pull for new applications, soft pull personal loan, business loan, personal credit card. It is all a soft pull. So I do love that about them. And their interest rates can be as low as 8%, which is great for a personal loan. That's a credit union type of loan interest rate. Usually credit unions have lower interest rates on personal loans than big banks. But American Express have competitive rates with the personal loans. Data points show that they go as low as 8%, 7.99%. Let's just call it 8. So you would go to their website, then you would hit banking, then you would hit personal loans. Then it says you would pre-qualify. You can check your offer. It tells you how much you get approved for. It tells you what your interest rate would be. And then you would just accept the offer, and it's a soft pull, and you get same day funding. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button. Let me know in the comments if this is your first time here. Welcome to my channel where we talk about leveraging credit to create cash flow. We talk about business, and we talk about finance. That's my time. My name's Tori Rosario. Peace.